This is a journey into sound.
Born in 1937, Delia grew up during World War II and would lie awake at night listening to the alien sounds of air raid sirens and the crackling of buildings on fire. These strange sounds would inspire her later work.
Delia loved music, but music back then was very traditional, played by orchestras and nothing like the electronic tunes that she'd go on to create.
Along with music, maths was her other passion, and she graduated with a degree in, yep, you guessed it, maths and music from Cambridge University.
First, it's the simplest sound of all, which is a sine wave.
The Radiophonic's genius idea was to make music and sound effects that no one in the world had ever heard before.
Using unusual recording equipment, they created strange sounds, such as the sound of spaceships, monsters and aliens, and of course, the sound of the TARDIS.
But how did they create these out-of-this-world sounds?
They used electronic machines that made weird beeps and had weird names like oscillators and wobulators, but that wasn't all Delia used.
We spend quite a lot of time trying to invent new sounds, sounds that don't exist already, sounds that can't be produced by musical instruments. If the sound we want exists already in real life, say, we can go and record it. The sound I want for the rhythm of this piece needs to be a very short, dry, hollow wooden sound I can get from this.
Having got the sound she wanted, Delia then used it in her music. Sounds like these are called found sounds because you went out and found them.
The other thing Delia used was audio tape, a newish piece of technology that allowed you to play around with sounds in a way you couldn't before.